headphones. Okay, so we got you plugged in.
I totally thought.
Girl, okay, we got you. Dude, this is so annoying.
Okay.
Still 120?
Yep.
Gun it. That's 100 miles in running. I don't stop.
Okay, I'm just curious what your key is.
Gun it. I ain't patient. I ain't
10-8. Okay, got it. Okay, sorry.
Okay.
Girl, this like messes with my brain. Okay.
I know.
This is good. Okay.
Well, if I knew how to search.
That's my human. You know, he only lets like 2 people photograph him.
Dude, I know.
It's
a sensitive soul.
He's a beautiful soul.
Oh my god, that's so beautiful.
Me.
Mos Def. Didn't he come here for Music at the Intersection? Did he come here for a concert?
He did a tour with Eric.
Oh, that's such a good picture.
Yeah, he's such a sweetheart. I'm here to make art. I'm here to help out in the social, in the hospital, and help these homeless people and these people that need.
Interesting crossover between like salsa and like, I don't know, sort of Caribbean influence type music. It's a lot of songs that sound like 3 different things to me.
I love a flawless transition.
Yeah, me too. The dancers don't want to be cut off.
I didn't know anybody.
You don't want to cut the song too early, but you like also it's annoying as the DJ if you have to play every song completely, like at a wedding.
Yeah.
It's boring for you, but they like it.
They like it. They're like, I've been waiting for
my
it. Oh my goodness! I love that. When's your birthday?
October 13th.
Libra? Nice!
December 9th.
Okay, sad. Gemini. I'm June 11th.
Just went from there.
That's so beautiful.
Hey, hi.
He knows how to do stuff, you guys.
Okay, great.
He knows how to do stuff. So,
It took us, I don't know what, like half hour
45 minutes
to get this done.
Do you want to be like on this corner? What do you get?
I'll take your tea.
You want some tea? Like peppermint?
Okay.
I'm just saying. He's the beatboxer. Have you ever played with somebody else? So it's kind of crazy. So basically, she's on 95. She's gonna tell you. So I just like scroll down to all my 95.
Yes.
I forgot a couple of things, so we're all good.
Look.
Perfect. Yeah. This works.
One of them should always stay in the DJ bag.
Good. Oh my god, I'm excited. So I want to hear you. Okay.
I'm getting situated.
Can you invite us to the club, like when it's ready?
It's going on today. Like they got R&B today.
Oh.
I need new people. Come get me. I'm
Yes.
from New York.
Hell yeah.
Bring me.
All right,
Hell
man.
yeah.
What's up? What's up? Gotta get hard, man.
Tribe and community.
Absolutely.
I don't know, dude.
Yeah.
Spacetime.
What's up?
This is
Wait,
maybe
which one do you
because you know, one club.
These are like St. Louis cookies. So
What?
Oh, wow.
You should try those. They're like
How so?
oatmeal and
Okay.
whiskey or bourbon or some shit. I don't know. I have dreams of having like a line.
Man, excuse me while I get into my feelings for a second. Excuse me while I get into my feelings for a second.
We just playing.
Yeah,
Y'all
we just
connected,
play.
right?
Yes.
Are you? We's on 134. So then you just have to jump.
Okay, jump in. Okay,
You know
all
what?
right,
Yeah,
man.
just gonna be jumping.
Alright, look, 'cause I'm not. I was like, damn, I don't know when to jump in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wait, was this made for someone specific?
I'm just putting them down on the table.
Okay. That
So
sounds
you guys
really
do
good.
this once a month.
This is the third one. Our teacher, most of us work with Spin Society DJs, and they have workshops. So normally it's like 6 to 8 is the workshop. Yes, and then the turn of the table is after the workshop, right? So that's how normally it is. They go to DJs one time here and there. Yeah. I love what you're doing right now, Shay. Have you ever been scheduled? You know how dancing like it's like the Chicago people are all about it, and like it's like partner dancing, and it's like they do this like cute shit. I want to spend more time with Alex. And, like salsa, she has salsa friends, and they're like regular people, and they like know each other and shit. I'm gonna get to that eventually. Yes. Love it, love it. I saw that. Love it. Turn it up, girl. Turn it up.
Yes.
I can barely hear it. Yeah.
It's so sad. I'll let your body decide if this is good enough for you. Already folding for you. Already folding up for you. No matter what you do to switch the story up, I know I made my mark, and I will still choose you through it all. That's the crazy part. I know it's getting colder. Come pick up your
Pretty much, yeah.
so come pick up your
Ooh. Okay.
I see you.
Love it. I love DJing for the old folks. You like it?
It says Soprano. Okay, so maybe.
Oh, fuck, dude.
Oh!
This one.
I hate
Soprano.
that.
That one uses
I'm
Soprano.
so sorry.
Yeah. Spread that shit, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my god, thank you, girl. I love those colors. I was like, this is a real artist. This is a real artist here. Okay, here we go.
Hey, Roman numeral 7, baby, drop it like it's hot.
Oh, okay, we got it.